Have you ever noticed how some men leave such a strong impression that women think about them long after they're gone, while other men, no matter how hard they try, just fade into the background? Here's the truth most guys never hear. Women don't miss men because they need them. They miss men because of the emotional presence those men create, even in their absence. This isn't about cheesy pickup lines or fake confidence. It's about understanding female psychology, why women respond the way they do, and how to position yourself so that even a woman who wasn't interested at first starts to wonder about you, think about you, and even crave your presence. Section 1. Why chasing kills attraction. Let's start with the number one mistake men make. Chasing too hard. The more you chase, the faster she runs. Why? Because chasing flips the balance of power. Instead of her feeling lucky to get your attention, she sees you as the one desperately seeking hers. And nothing kills attraction faster than desperation. Think of it this way. If someone gives you free food every day, do you ever crave it? Of course not. But the moment it disappears, you suddenly want it. The same principle applies here. Women don't miss men who chase. They miss men who create space. Section 2. Silence speaks louder than texts. Most men believe constant communication will win a woman over. Morning texts, check-ins, goodnight messages. On the surface, it looks like effort. But in reality, it makes you predictable and forgettable. Silence, however, creates mystery. It makes her wonder. Why isn't he texting? Who is he with? What's he doing? And that curiosity is the very seed of attraction. Remember this. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say to a woman is nothing at all. Section 3. Stop being too available. Another big mistake? Always being on standby. Canceling plans, replying instantly, dropping everything the moment she calls. On paper, it seems like dedication. But in her eyes, it's weakness. It kills challenge, tension, and excitement. Women are drawn to men who have their own lives, their own priorities, and their own passions. A man who can say, "I'm busy right now," instead of always saying yes. Independence is attractive. Predictability is not. Section 4. Mystery beats honesty. In the beginning, we've all been told honesty is the best policy. And yes, in relationships it matters. But in attraction, too much honesty too soon kills the spark. When you reveal every detail of your life immediately, there's nothing left for her to imagine. But when you hold a little back, when she has to guess what you're up to, that's when she stays hooked. Think about your favorite movie. The suspense keeps you watching. Attraction works the same way. Mystery makes you unforgettable. Section 5. Never compete for her attention. Too many men put women on a pedestal, competing for likes, comments, and validation. But here's the harsh truth. If you're competing for her attention, you've already lost. Real men don't compete, they attract. The moment you stop fighting for her approval and start acting like you are the prize, the dynamic flips. She'll realize your attention isn't cheap. And that's when she'll start craving it. Section 6. Confidence is more addictive than love. Love might make her smile, but confidence is what keeps her awake at night. You can write long texts, shower her with affection, and give her everything. But if you lack confidence, it all falls flat. Confidence, not love, is what women respond to first. And real confidence isn't loud or arrogant. It's quiet. It's the way you carry yourself, the way you stand by your opinions, the way you walk away if you're not respected. Confidence is magnetic. And once she feels it, she won't forget you. Section 7. Make her think she's losing you. Finally, nothing makes a woman miss a man more than the fear of losing him. Human psychology is simple, we value what we might lose. When she knows you'll always be there no matter what, there's no urgency, no desire. But when she feels your attention slipping away, when she thinks another woman might get your time, that's when her attraction spikes. And this isn't manipulation. This is about self-respect. You're not pretending to walk away. You're showing her that your life doesn't revolve around her. And that's when she realizes what she stands to lose. So here's the bottom line. Women don't miss the nice guy who's always available. They miss the man who creates space, who carries himself with quiet confidence, and who isn't afraid to walk away. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever chased too hard? Or maybe experienced how silence and confidence pulled her back? Drop your story in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe and hit the notification bell Because in the next video, I'll reveal why giving a woman your full loyalty too soon might be the very reason she pulls away. See you there.